Our top story, 3 soldiers have been killed in a terror attack on an army artillery unit in Jammu and Kashmir's Nagrota today. Firing has been on for hours between the army and the terrorists who attacked the camp around 5:30 this morning, starting with a grenade attack. 4 terrorists are believed to be hiding in the camp currently. Nagrota, which is around 20 kilometers from Jammu, is the headquarters of the Army 16 Corps, a massive military formation. And that attack still ongoing. As we said, the 4 terrorists are in a building over there, and exchange of fire can still be heard.
Early morning, the encounter took place, and the terrorists have entered one of our military areas, camps, and the situation is under control. As and when the operation will get over, I will share the further details with you. The situation is under control, the firefight is going on, and the situation is under control.
And there was an infiltration bid in Sambha, where the border security force managed to kill 2 terrorists who were part of a group of terrorists who were actually infiltrating at the international border. This too is near Jammu, and there are reports that 1 BSF Jawan was also injured in the exchange of firing. All right, so 2 incidents taking place, one Fidain attack on the army camp in Nagrota. That situation is still taking place. 3 soldiers have been killed in this attack that began at 5:30 this morning. And the second incident, which is the infiltration bid at the international border in Sambha, in which 2 terrorists have been killed. There you can see visuals from earlier in Nagrota. Now here the schools have all been closed down, and the Jammu-Srinagar highway in this area has also been closed down. And Nagrota, this camp, this artillery unit, is very near Jammu, just some 20 kilometers away. So questions will be asked later as to how these terrorists managed to get deep inside and actually reach this highly protected unit.